Organizations utilize equipment from suppliers in exchange for services. These contracts may not classify as lease or rent, but despite the explicit language of the contract, under ASC 842, a right-of-use asset and a lease liability must be recorded if the term of contract is greater than 12 months. Failure to identify embedded leases could lead to errors in financial reporting. HighIQ's Bumi, AI contract reader, can easily apply your organizational threshold to flag contracts which may have embedded leases. Let me show you how Bumi helps in identifying embedded leases. First, let's log into Bumi. Bumi's intuitive dashboard presents to you all the critical information that has been extracted by Bumi at a glance. Let's head to the reporting view. Seen here is a view which shows the information extracted, such as when the contract was processed, what the party names are, etc. For embedded leases, we set a threshold of contract value greater than 100,000 and term greater than 12 months. Since Bumi has already read and classified the contracts, you can focus on and review only those contracts that meet the set threshold. Now, this is surely going to save a lot of time for you and your team. Let us head over to the detailed view in Bumi. In the detailed view, you have the ability to see the PDF on the right-hand side of the screen and the details extracted on the left-hand side. Lawyers and accountants often like to not only read the extraction but also like to read the values or sections prior or after the section in question. In the detailed view, we have the capability to look at the amount that has been extracted to meet the threshold value, as well as the duration. Also, a comparison of the values met or not met is shown here as well. We also have the ability to obtain a file status, such as, has Bumi been able to read the contract? Has a human user been able to read a contract? Has the user added any comment? Has the contract been exported to a downstream application, like your lease accounting solution or your ERP? Bumi provides the output in several formats including Excel, CSV and JSON for an easy downstream integration. While reading the contracts, Bumi checks the signatures, that is, if it is an inked contract or not. Further, the users can see the preliminary information about the contract, such as the names of the parties, the effective date of the contract, the addresses of the parties and some more information. In this video, a Bumi instance has been set up to search for a wide variety of sections and keywords. The user can define a list of sections or keywords that they want to extract. Bumi then uses these keywords and synonyms to search the various contracts. This review by Bumi is especially helpful in taking your focus only on the relevant sections, and reduces your time to review embedded leases from a few hours to only a few minutes. Here we can take a look at the Internet section. This could be further narrowed down to a detailed IT services section. All the information about the section is extracted and reproduced here. Let's take another example of parking. All the information about the parking section is extracted here. Along with the ability to provide a short list of sections, as seen here, Bumi is also able to provide a complete list of sections which help in creating a table of contents, like view for the contract for an ease of secondary review. With this exceptional feature, the users need not go through the entire contract. In the reporting as well, right next to the threshold check, we have the Quick View feature that shows us all the information in the contracts, in a manner which is easy to compare the information among the different contracts extracted. Bumi gives the user the ability to add comments and maintain a comment log, which helps in understanding the processing and the review of the documents in an efficient manner. The comments left by different teammates can be seen in the application itself. In this example, we reduced the time taken to read a contract from an average of 2 hours to just 15 minutes of human time. When would you like to set up a custom demo for you? Link on our website www.highIQ.ai. Talk to you soon.